क्या दिखाऊंगी, पैटर्न्स। ये पैटर्न से अलग टाइप के है, दूसरे क्लास का, ये देखो और समझो। ओके, कल मैंने थोड़ा दिखाया था, समझाए थे पैटर्न से। ट्रायंगल, हाँ बॉक्स दिखाया ना, सर्कल, फिर क्या है रेक्टेंगल, ये सब दिखाया था। अब आप लोग और एक दूसरे पैटर्न्स देखोगे, फ्रैक्शन के टाइप, ये पैटर्न सीखो, उसके बाद मैं ये क्लास लूँगी। ओके,
In the fifth box, we can see a single leaf again. So, in the next box, arrange 2 leaves, then 3 leaves, and 4 leaves in the last box, and thus complete the pattern. See the second pattern now. In this pattern, 2 erect and 2 inverted, and then 3 erect and 3 inverted patterns are given. So, the next boxes will have 4 erect and 4 inverted, and then 5 erect patterns. In the third pattern, 1/4 of a circle is colored. If we turn the circle in clockwise direction and continue the coloring, we can complete the pattern. We can also make interesting patterns using numbers and letters. A few examples are given here. We will take them forward. In the first oval box, the letters A, B, C are written. In the second oval box, D, E, F. And in the third one, the letters G, H, I are written. Thus, in each oval box, 3 English alphabets are written. Taking this pattern forward, we will write J, K, L in the next box, followed by M, N, O in the fifth, and P, Q, R in the sixth box. See the next pattern. Here, in the first diamond, 28Z is written. In the second, 27Y. And in the third box, 26X is written. Here, the numbers and alphabets are in the descending order. So the next boxes will be 25W, 24V, and 23U. In the third pattern, 864 is written in the first box, followed by 764 in the second box, and 664 in the third box. You will notice that the numbers are decreasing by 100. So the next boxes will have 564, 464, and 364. In a similar way, the next pattern starts with 9. When 100 is added to it, we get 109. Adding 100 again, we get the next number, 209. So, the next 3 boxes will be 309, 409, and 509 respectively. Self-study. 1. Now write your own number pattern. 2. Make a pattern without numbers. No number comes twice. Look at the number box shown here. Can you see a beautiful pattern in it? Monu says, no number comes twice in a line. Now we will try to write the letters A, B, C in the box in the same manner. No letter should come twice in any line. In the first line, we will write A, B, C. The letter A is there in the first box. So let us write B and C here in the second and third box of the first column. Now there is letter B in the first box of the second column. So we will write C and A in the second and the third box respectively. In the third column, we can see that letter C is written. So we will write A and B respectively in the second and the third boxes. Thus, we have completed this box. Remember, this box can be completed in a number of ways. You can use any one method of your choice. Magic patterns. Look at the pattern shown here. The numbers 1 to 7 are shown in this pattern. The numbers in each line add up to 12. Now, fill these stars using numbers 1 to 9 such that the numbers in each line add up to 15. Here we have to write the numbers 1 to 9 in these stars so that the sum of the numbers in horizontal, vertical and slanting line should be 15. First write the number 5 in the star in the center. Now we need the sum of the remaining two numbers to be 10. The sum of 7 and 3 is 10. So we will write 7 in the second box of the first column and 3 in the second box of the last column. In the same way, let us write 6, 1 and 8 in the first line, the sum of which is 15. In the first column, the sum of 6 and 7 is 13. Therefore, we will write 2 in the last box of the first column. In the second column, the sum of 5 and 1 is 6. So, 9 will come in the third box. In the third column, the sum of 8 and 3 is 11. So, to make it 15, we will have to add 4 to it. Thus, we can see here that whether it is a slanting line, a horizontal line, or a vertical line, the sum of the numbers in these lines is 15. Magic triangles. Look at the triangle given here. The sum of the numbers on each side is 9. The sum of 3, 4 and 2 is 9. Similarly, 3 plus 5 plus 1 is also 9. And the sum of 2, 6 and 1 is also 9. Now we will make a magic triangle using numbers 1 to 6. The rule is that the numbers on each side of the triangle should add up to 10. Come on, let's try. 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus 2 plus 3 is also equal to 10. And the sum of 1, 6 and 3 is also 10. Number towers. The numbers can be arranged as a tower. To get the number pattern in this tower, we start from below. 3 numbers are given here: 10, 20 and 30. The sum of the first 2 numbers, that is 10 and 20, is written above these numbers at the center of these 2 numbers. In the same way, the sum of 20 and 30 is 50, which is written above these 2 numbers. Again, 30 and 50, when added, will give 80. Can you see the rule for the pattern here? Yes. The rule is, when 2 numbers in the line below are added, we get the number in the box above them. Using the same rule, complete the number towers. The 4 numbers given in the last line are 5, 10, 15, 20. The sum of 5 and 10 is 15, which will be written above these 2 numbers. 10 plus 15 is equal to 25, which will be written in the box above these numbers. 15 plus 20 is equal to 35, which will be written above 15 and 20. Now we have 15, 25 and 35. 15 plus 25 is equal to 40. Similarly, 25 and 35 together make 60. Let's write these 2 numbers in the boxes above them. Now we have only 2 numbers, 60 and 40. The sum of these 2 numbers is 100, which we'll write above them. Thus, the process of addition is complete. Self-study. Adding the 2 numbers below, the number above them is obtained. Using this rule, complete the given tower. The same sum rule. Some friends are playing with number cards. See how they add. Can you see the rule which gives us the same sum each time? No. Rule. When we add the 2 numbers, we get the same sum. Here the number first from left and the number first from right are 11 and 16 respectively. We will add 11 and 16. The sum is 27. Now, second from the left and second from the right are 12 and 15. The sum of which is again 27. Now, the third one from the left and the third one from the right are 13 and 14. 13 and 14 also add up to 27. Now we will take a 3-digit number and next 3-digit consecutive numbers. Let's see whether we can apply the same rule and make a new pattern. Now we will take a 3-digit number and next 3-digit consecutive numbers. Let's see whether we can apply the same rule and make a new pattern. Suppose the 3-digit number is 121. The next 3 consecutive numbers will be 122, 123 and 124. Now, according to the rule, the sum of the numbers first from the left and first from the right are 121 and 124. Their sum is 245. Similarly, the numbers second from the left and second from the right, that is 122 and 123, when added will give 245. That is, we get the same sum. Patterns with addition. In the first line here, the sum of 1, 2 and 3 is given to be 6. If we add 1 to each of these numbers, we get 2, 3 and 4 in the next line. The sum of these numbers is 9. Again, if 1 is added to each of these numbers, we get 3, 4 and 5. Their sum is 12. Thus, the sum of the numbers increases by 3 each time. Now we will carry out the same procedure for 4 numbers. The sum of 1, 2, 3 and 4 is 10. The sum of 2, 3, 4 and 5 is 14. The sum of 3, 4, 5 and 6 is 18. Thus, here the sum increases by 4 each time. Self-study. Try to make such a pattern with 5 numbers in order. Does the sum grow by 5 each time? Very fine. Secret messages. Yamini says, "Hey, what are you doing?" Sonu says, "My friend has sent me a note. I'm trying to read it, but I cannot understand it." Yamini says, "Okay, let me see it." The numbers 7, 15, 15, 4, 14, 9, 7, 8, 20 are written. She says, "It looks like a secret message." Yamini explained the rule. Numbers have been used for letters. For example, J is 10, P is 16. So, 10, 21, 13, 16 means J, U, M, P. That is jump. In the note, Sonu has shown if we use the same rule 7, 15, 15, 4, 14, 9, 7, 8, 20 become good night. Complete the list of letters and numbers which will help us. Tinu wants to write to his friend, good morning. What will he write by using the same rule? Good will be 7, 15, 15, 4, and morning will be 13, 15, 18, 14, 9, 14, 7. So he will write it as shown here. If we change the rule and write 1 in place of B, 3 in place of D, and so on, how will we write let us dance? Let us dance can be written as 11, 4, 19, 20, 18, 3, 0, 13, 2, 4. More secret codes. Shobna and Jagu are playing a game. They are writing some secret messages. But Komal is not able to understand them. So, Jagu explained the rule. Jagu says, you see, we have changed each letter by its next letter. That is, we write G in place of F and O in place of N. So, yes as in Y-E-S becomes Z-F-T. Komal says, oh, now I understand. Shobna asks Jagu, I-F-N-M-P, I-P-X-B-S-F, Z-P-V means what? The meaning of this message is, hello, how are you? Jagu says, G-J-O-F, U-I-B-O-L, Z-P-V means fine, thank you. Shobna says XJMM, ZPV, QNBZ, XJUINF means what? This message is, will you play with me? Jagu says ZFT means yes. Komal says, yes, now I understand it. Here we have changed each alphabet with the alphabet next to it. Now we will change each alphabet with its previous alphabet. Komal says, see what I have written. XF, BSF, GSJFOET. What is Komal's secret message? It is, we are friends. What have Shobna and Jaggu written? Hello, how are you? Fine, thank you. Will you play with me? Yes. Using the same rule, right? Meet me on the moon. It is NFFU NF PO UIF NPPO. Self-study. Make different rules and ask your friends to crack the secret message. Upside down. Anisha is playing. She is showing her friend that she can stand on her head. Now Anisha is playing with cards. In the given card, the spades are upside. Draw what will it look like when upside down. The card will look like this when seen upside down. Floor patterns. Have you ever seen a floor with tiles of these shapes? Yes. These designs are made in such a way that they cover the floor completely with tiles that fit into each other without any gaps. A. Now cover this floor with the given tile. We will cover the floor with the given tile as shown here. Can you make such a floor design with a tile like a circle?